Okay, now question number 3 from exercise 7.7. Name the following triangles as per the length of side. By seeing all the three sides, we have to define whether this is scalene triangle, equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle. As already we have discussed, if all the three sides are different, that type of triangle is called scalene triangle. You can see one side is 3 centimeter, one side is 4 centimeter and one side is 5 centimeter. It means AB, this is AB, is not equal to AC, is not equals to BC. Simply I have written three sides. One is AB, one is AC and one is BC. And this is the symbol of not equal to. If all the three sides are not equal to, then that type of triangle is called scalene triangle. Okay. Now as you can see, this is B1. Now you can see one side is 5 centimeter, second side is 5 centimeter and third side is 6 centimeter. It means two sides are equal and third side is what? Different. So this is what PQ we can write or QP we can write. Suppose I am writing PQ. So PQ is equals to PR. So I will write PR and I will write the sign of equals to. Now PQ and PR are equal because both are having 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Now the third side, that is QR. QR is different. As you can see, both are 5, 5. But this is what? 6. So this is not equals to. Okay, when two sides are equal but third side is different, then that type of triangle is called isosceles triangle. So what you have to see in the given figure, if two sides are same and third is different, then that type of triangle is what? Isosceles triangle. Okay. Okay, now student, in this figure, ED is what? 3 centimeter, DF is 3 centimeter and EF is 3 centimeter. So one side is 3 centimeter, other side is 3 centimeter and third side is also 3 centimeter. If all the three sides are equal or same, then that type of triangle is called equilateral triangle. So firstly I will write ED. ED I have written. The next is DF. Both are equal. Yes student. Now third is what? EF. That is also equal. If all the three sides are equal, then that is called equilateral triangle. Is it clear student? So you have to see all the three sides. If all the three sides are equal, then that type of triangle is called equilateral triangle. Okay.